In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this 2-pack of cooling towels. And what these are towels that you would wet down to like put over your neck or maybe around your head or something just to cool you off. So they both come in these nice little kind of D-ring type closures where you can hang them on a backpack or something like that and open them up here. Let's just open it up and take a look at them. They feel great. These things feel very premium. That is big, everybody. You could easily wrap that around your head or maybe your neck or something like that. So it's 100% polyester, cooling, soft, lightweight, quick drying, easy to carry, swimming, fitness, yoga, suitable for the hot summer days. And you know what? We have our hot summer days here, that's for sure. I've got a little bucket of water here. Now it's not cold today, but I'm just gonna show you guys how this thing, how much it kind of soaks up the water. So we'll put these two aside. What you'll do is get it just like that, and you'll kind of just wring it out a little bit. Take this right here and just wrap it around you. And what it does, it kind of gives you a rapid cooling effect on your neck or your head or something like that. You could see how it's kind of vented right there. And these will dry out pretty fast. So you know what, you could actually use them just to kind of like wick away sweat or something like that. They seem to hold the water up nicely. This is something I'm going to be using on definitely some of my travels, especially when I go mountain biking or hiking or something like that. Hook this onto the side, come along some water like a little river or something, dunk this down. You can cool your head off. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the cooling towels. See you all in the next video.